In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a video in Krita. Now this is a bit messy, however it's still very possible to achieve. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top left, click on File, and then you want to click on Import Video Animation. Now when you do this, you want to go and select your video file, so click on this button over here under General, and then find it. So I'm just going to find a random video I have over here. For example, this one over here, I'm going to click on it and click on Open. Now, if it has like a lot of frames, it's going to say that it has this amount, and the maximum you can import is, and then an amount as well. For me, it's 56 over here. So what I'm going to do to fix this, I'm actually going to just import a portion of the video. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to go from 5 seconds to about 7 seconds. And I'm going to leave everything else like it is. Of course, you can change this however you want. It's not really important right now for this video. Just go ahead and basically do it how you want. You could also change the advanced settings as well. And then simply click on OK, and it's going to start importing, and within just a few seconds, whenever this part is done, you'll see that it's going to upload a video or open the video inside Krita. So here, anytime now, you'll see it's going to be over here. There we go. However, you can't actually do anything with it yet, okay? You can, of course, move it around. You can resize it. You can change it, stuff like that, but you can't play it. So if you actually want to play it, all you have to do is you want to go to Window and you want to basically open the timeline. So I'm just going to switch the workspace and I'm going to go to Animation. And down here you can see I have, of course, my video. So if I now play this, you'll be able to see it's going to start first generating cache. And then there we go. It's going to start playing that portion of my video, which I imported, okay? So that's how to open a video in Krita. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.